Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Weakley County in West Tennessee, central Gibson County in West Tennessee, northern Carroll County in West Tennessee, Henry County in West Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dyer, or near Trenton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, McKenzie, Trenton, Dresden, Dyer, Greenfield, Gleason, Rutherford, Bradford, Vale, Springville, Roughton, Henry, Tucker's Corner, Grizzard, Old Springville, Como, Curry, Porter Court, and Gann. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry and Weakley,